research led me to the study of the spiritual forces with which all of us are blessed. And it was in this field that I came upon a clue. I want to describe my discovery in the simplest terms possible, because it will reveal to you why it is true that whatever the mind can conceive.
Going to the office on a Friday. Who is she? I don't normally go to the office on a Friday, but today we have a strategy presentation, and yesterday a couple of us were like, oh, it might be fun if we all go in to the office to do the presentation. So we're gonna do that. It's about 9:30. Just had to brush off my car. It's very snowy out, so I'm gonna take my time driving into the office. I think our presentation isn't until 11:30, so I have plenty of time. So I'm just gonna get over to the office, and then I have a handful of other meetings today. Couple things to finish up, and then it'll be the weekend. And I'm very pleased because this morning I woke up early and I finished my low spend challenge video, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. I put a lot of work into this video. It's also a long one, so if you see it go live tomorrow, please give me a comment. I guess by the time I publish this vlog it will have already been live, so if you see it, give it a like, give it a comment. I would really appreciate it. So I'm very happy about that. And we're finished off the week strong. So happy Friday. Hi cuties, it's the weekend. So I'm just parked outside of my mom's condo. I just wanted to pull over and chat with y'all real quick before I go in. So it's like 5:20 and I did a whole day at the office and it was great. It was kind of nice, like just chilling there on a Friday, and we also got McDonald's for lunch, which was a slay. And now I'm going to visit with my mom. So my mom and stepdad live in Victoria, and they have a condo here in Calgary because they lived in Calgary for a long time. Like they retired out to Victoria, so they still have a condo here, which is where I'm going right now. So my mom comes to visit probably every month or every 2 months, but I haven't seen her in a little bit, so I'm really excited to see her. Have I not seen her since Christmas? That feels like a lot, but that might be it. No, I think she was in January. Yeah, she was in January, or maybe February. January. Anyways, okay, I have seen her this year. But anyways, it'll be nice to catch up to her. And then my nephew Liam is being dropped off as well tonight. I think that I beat him here actually, but I'm really excited to see him as well because he's my little buddy. So I'm gonna stay for a visit and have dinner with them, and then I'll probably try and go home like relatively early because I don't want to be home late. I don't know, I just like, I'm tired from the week, you know? But let's go in together. I lived in this condo for a couple of years, and it's a beautiful condo, and it was so nice living there. I don't think that I vlogged when I lived there though. I think I started vlogging when I moved out of this condo situation. Me rolling down my windows. Okay. Now if I could only remember what the code is. Got it. You gonna buzz me in? Let's go. I feel like this will be a good thing for me to like disconnect from work, you know? Like sometimes you need an activity between work and weekend, or like I guess it's weekend now, but I need something to help me disconnect. So I think that this will be perfect. Just perfect. I'm back in the car. It absolutely dumped snow again. So, yeah. But anyways, I'm going to the mall because I need to pick up my nephew Gabriel's birthday present. I still don't know what I'm gonna get him, so I'm gonna do some browsing. honestly, I'm so excited to go to the mall because I love browsing the mall, and I didn't go to the mall at all in February because I was obviously not spending any money. I don't want to go crazy because it's only March 2nd and I just don't want to like undo all of the progress that I made in February, but you know, might buy myself a couple things. But I did find a gift card to Shoppers and a gift card to Uniqlo, so I'm gonna see if I could treat myself with with those gift cards, you know, so that I don't have to spend all of my own money. And then I found a $50 bill from Christmas from my parents, so I have a couple of ways that I can treat myself without really breaking the bank, you know. But the main goal is Gabriel's birthday present. Probably gonna get a Starbucks as well. I think I have a free drink on my Starbucks, so I'm gonna try and go to the mall and like treat myself in thrifty ways, you know. But yeah, it's just after 10. We were up pretty early this morning just doing some stuff on the computer. I was just like making sure that my low spend month video uploaded properly and did like a TikTok clip, and anyways, it's been a good day so far. And then we're gonna go to Mac's parents for dinner around 5. So I've got the day to myself, which feels really nice because I just need some rest, you know? It's funny how I say I need some rest, I'm going to the mall, but to me, like, I just love looking at things and walking and getting my steps in. It's a vibe.
I love cruising with my day ones, doing the things that only we know how to do, living moments, we on the run, chilling, sipping bottles with the crew. Girl, you were there for me, you held me down, lifted me up when no one was around. But I am thankful for the things that you do, you helped me through.
So it is just after 2 and I just took an everything shower and it felt really good to wash my hair. The mall was really great. I did very well with not spending too much money. I will show you what I got. And then just came home, had some lunch, and now I may have a nap before we're going over to Mac's parents for dinner, but let me show you what I got. So I got the absolute perfect gift from my nephew Gabe. So one thing about Gabe is that he is so smiley all the time. Like, he is just such an angel and he just always has a smile on his face. And I saw this at Indigo and I just had to get it for him. So it says smile. It's a little sweat set and it has this giant smiley face on the back, and I just thought it was so sweet. There was another one that said happy and it was a rainbow on the back and it was really cute too, but it was like a cream color, and I thought that like for a toddler slash baby, this is like a bit more practical where it's like a darker color. So anyways, I got that. That's what I needed at the mall, so I'm glad that I found that. And then I went to the Uniqlo opening a little while ago and they gave us a gift card, but I didn't know how much was on it and I wasn't able to check the balance online. It just wasn't working. So I went in and I was expecting there to be like $10 on this gift card, and I went up and asked for the balance and there was $100. So I was like, this is perfect, because then I was able to get a couple of things for myself, but I did not have to spend my own money. So it was just absolutely perfect. So I tried to be very practical as well. So I got this sweater, this gray sweater, and I love a gray sweater, and I always wear my sweater that says Los Angeles, and that's from H&M, and I like it, but I've kind of like outgrown it. Like, I just feel like it's not very, it's a little bit like juvenile for my taste. So I bought this sweater to replace that in my wardrobe. And then I've been eyeing these for a while and they've always been out of stock, and they had a huge, like, they had all of this stock, and I was like, wow. So it's these tank tops that have a built-in bra, and this is perfect because I love little racerbacks like this, but in the summer, if I'm like just out casually, I'll wear one like without a bra, but it's like, can't really wear that to work, or it just would be like convenient to have like a built-in bra. So I got the gray one, and I tried it on and it fit nicely. And then I also got this linen shirt, which I thought would be really nice in the spring and summer. So this is what it looks like. I'd probably wear it open, but I could also wear it buttoned up as like a blouse. So I liked that find. So I was very pleased with that gift card. And then I also had a gift card to Shoppers. It was $25. So I ended up paying $5 more, but I got the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've actually never tried this, but it's like a cult. It has like a cult following, like people love it. And I'm just about done my Hoola Benefit bronzer. And so I picked this up. So I only spent like a couple dollars of my own money. And then obviously the gift, and this gift would be split between Mac and I. So I did really good. I'm very pleased with myself, and I'm so excited to give this to Gabe tomorrow. I'm wrapping the present, and I just took the hanger off, and I just saw that the pants have a smiley face too. So cute. Anyways, I only really had like Christmas wrapping, so I just got like this plain craft bag and some white tissue paper. But I think I'm gonna like write Gabriel and like do some little doodles on the bag just to make it a little bit more interesting. Maybe I'll do some smiley faces, because there's not much interest happening here, is there? Hi, I'm wearing my new little sweater to go to Mac's parents, and it's very cozy. I like it. It's like cozy, but it's not too heavy or thick, so it's great. Anyways, let me show you the little appetizer that I made. I feel like this is such a good, easy appetizer to bring. So we've got my little caprese skewers, just cherry tomatoes, mini bocconcini, basil, and then I just did some salt and pepper on top. I have it in one of these like disposable containers just for easy transport. And then I'm gonna bring this balsamic glaze. You can also like make it yourself, but this is just really easy. So when I get there, I will put it on like a platter and then drizzle the glaze on it. So I just need to put some saran wrap on it. We got this thing, this huge thing of saran wrap from Costco. And I love it because it has this little, what do you call this? Slicer? Like, look at this. Oh my. I did have a little nap, which was nice. I think I napped for like 45 minutes. And so I'm just kind of like coming out of my nap slumber. Mac is just getting the car ready. It is still really snowy and cold looking outside, but I'm glad that at least I won't be the one driving to his parents. But I think that I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think that tomorrow I am gonna use the day to have a vlog-free reset day and then go to my nephew's first birthday, because I, of course, am not gonna vlog at a child's birthday party. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed going to the mall and treating myself a little bit. I enjoyed taking care of myself and just having like a nice start to the weekend. So hope that you like this one, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.